all lines up. What the heck did I do with all the screws, though? Hold on. I know I put them somewhere for safekeeping. Where am I keeping safe? Oh, wait, is this it? No.
Banks and banks of humming machinery. I've never seen so many knobs. Here, try that button over there. No. Check that button over there.
The eWaste PC is back. Because, guess what? We've got a replacement power supply. This was donated by a friend of the computer's current owner. So it's a 500 watt, an actual 500 watt power supply. So we're going to get this installed and then start doing some testing. Yay! This is what happens when you have too many projects happening at once. A lot of these screws are for the Bose system that I'm also doing a video on. Alright. Well, let's hope I got all the right ones. And I need a screwdriver. Isn't this fun? Oh boy. Looks like in order to keep the wiring down, we're going to have to move the CD down at least a slot. And I know there's some blanks in here, so let's get on that. Because we want neat wiring, right? The clips somewhere. Oh, see, that used to be glue. It's now a different color. Just slide it. The bottom slot where it just fits. Alright. Turn this back around. Would very much like to make a tray for that SSD. However, my 3D printer is not in a good mood right now. So okay. Well, let's see if we broke anything. I want to make sure that this is on. Power supply works. Beep. Couldn't find the AND key. Run these. I'm gonna run this sort of benchmark thing just as the computer is, because this is just how friend's son has it set up. So we're just gonna see what we get. But with what we get, not really up on the best benchmarks for PCs. On a Mac, I would know what to do, but this one seems like a pretty good one because it killed the machine. So let's see if we kill this power supply. Power supply isn't even warming up right now. I mean, that other power supply, the power supply's fan would be like working hard right now. So, alright, let's take a photograph. So I'm going to let this run for a bit and see if I can warm this power supply up at all, but it doesn't seem to really do anything. And then we will experiment with those other video cards. Catch you soon. Nice hot air coming out of there. not too bad coming out of there. It's been running for a little while. So we got through the fan. Ooh, that's toasty. Does this tell me anything? Yep. Internal graphics. So, and this is let's see, this is HD graphics 4600. With me. Run. Apparently I can't run. Machine, or is it the video card that can't, is incapable of running this one? Great, now I'm gonna have to try a bunch of different ones. This runs. Where is my mouse? Benchmark. Benchmarking. So I guess I'm gonna have to put the other video card back in and run this one as well, since the Furmark doesn't seem to work on the internal video card for some reason. I've got the old G-Force put in here, and I have no idea how it's going to behave, because last time I had tried, when my son had this computer, it didn't behave very well, so, you know, but it's worth a shot, why not? See if it even works. The fan on it doesn't sound so great. It is working. It's displaying video. And boots. Any key. Alright, well, because this stuff starts up, I will get back to you with how this... Okay, I got this at least to load up. The video card doesn't seem to like the various video displays settings, so there are no drivers for this card. I don't think this is working. Okay, so I put in one of the ATA cards to go ahead and test it out, and we're going to start doing some benchmarks and see how that goes. So let's start off there. Get this booted up. Maybe. Oh, I'm gonna have if I turn the power on. Get this booted up. We are plugged in. Well, that's interesting. I'm not getting signal at all. And this fan's running full power. I wonder if this card's not working. Let me kill it. Power attached. Well, give this one a try. Beep. Okay. So we're getting some... Oh, that's interesting. That's not normal. Could be a driver issue. Oh, updates. Well, in any case, the video card has its drivers. So we're good there. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to run the stuff. 8 frames per second, wow. Compared to like 40. Yeah. Yeah, this card's much slower. I'm going to get a picture of that. And here we go. Here's the benchmarks for the Radeon card. Definitely better than an internal. Now let's find out what the super speedy card can do. I just have this little bit of video. Got the cover back on. Running that last benchmark, it is going so much faster. Average thus far is around 70 frames per second. It was 7 on the built-in, so I think that's fairly significant change. Yeah, but I'll get those final benchmarks and gotta get this machine back to its current owner. Yep, that's much faster than the built-in and the other Radeon card. So yeah, there isn't any sort of bottleneck with the age of the machine to get this video card to show some serious performance improvements.